On planet Earth in North Little Rock, Arkansas, you will find an amazing secret. Krome Billiards Sports Bar. Hidden behind this nondescript brick wall is a pool player's unexpected dream. A beautiful, non-smoking, all-diamond Oasis. 18 diamond bar tables. 3 diamond 9-foot tables in the back for the more serious players. A generous kitchen complete with a beer and liquor bar. With leagues or tournaments running every night of business hours, Monday through Saturday, this family-friendly establishment is a breath of fresh air for any pool enthusiast.
She's like, no, I can't make everybody down with you here. I mean, I'm trying really hard though. How you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm wonderful.
Is Krome's the greatest bar in Little Rock?
Yes.
I mean, North Little Rock.
Yes.
Both.
Yes.
All right. How you doing, sir?
Pretty good.
Do you run tournaments for up to 128 players or teams? Try a free trial of Bailey's Sports Brackets. Visit tournamentboss.com to get a free trial now. Share, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.